Welcome back to Young Bull Finance. Today, I'm going to be talking about Realty Income and why I think they're the safest REIT out there. So, Realty Income currently big drop due to the current situation. We've seen lows of negative 39%. That's a big drop, just like the rest of the REITs in the stock market right now. Big drops. However, I don't know how justifiable this drop in the market is, considering how safe of a company Realty Income is, and how they've proven that they're doing fine, and their commitment to their dividend is insane. So before I get too crazy here, let's slow it down a little bit and let's start talking about the nitty gritty here. So dividend yield right now is $5.36. I believe they tends to be a little bit lower than that when the price isn't this low. So what is Realty Income? Well, they're a REIT and they own just a bunch of leases on commercial companies. So biggest ones being Walgreens, 7-Eleven, Dollar General is their most in number of leases. Walgreens is their most in total revenue. Walmart, Sam's Club, Lifetime Fitness, CVS Pharmacy. So Home Depot, a lot of these companies aren't actually even closed right now, which AMC Theaters is definitely closed right now. I don't think theaters are open yet. Regal Cinemas might be closed. But we got Kroger too. I mean, the pharmaceutical companies, most of these companies are still open right now. I saw earlier that only 3 of the 20 on here are actually closed. So that's interesting to look at, considering the stock price here dropped quite a bit. Now let's go to their. This is from their website, by the way. Their commitment to their dividend is unheard of. 598 consecutive monthly dividends paid since our founding in 1969. That's just unheard of. I mean, the amount of recessions and market scares, and like 2008, they continued paying their consecutive monthly dividends. They even have a trademark for the monthly dividend company. They call themselves the monthly dividend company. They are so committed to their dividend. And honestly, I don't know how. I just don't think this is a justified drop in price. I think Realty Income is just on a discount right now for no reason. So I'm going to go ahead and look at their balance sheet here. Total revenues for the last 4 years have gone up every single year. Actually, if you look at the past 12 months right here, so this includes the months while we're on lockdown, revenue is still going up. Let's look at their operating income. Again, up every single year, even up in the last 12 months. So that's their this is their income statement. Now let's take a look at their balance sheet. Total assets, they're going up in assets still, so that's good. Their liabilities is going up. That's fine. I mean, as long as your assets are going up, that's fine. And anything else notable on here? Not really. All their assets or all their property and equipment is in real estate assets. So let's look at the dividend scorecard here. Dividend yield 536. We saw that earlier. Payout ratio 84.38, which is high, but again, for a REIT, that's pretty normal. We looked at Simon Property Group earlier today, and I believe theirs was 82%. So everything's looking just peachy with that. Growth rate 4.38%. That's good. That's a pretty constant growth number. And they pay monthly, and that's their scorecard. Now, this is where things get juicy for Realty Income. Look at this. The last 25 years, they have continued to increase and pay their dividend every single month. I mean, it's unheard of. For one, not only is this a REIT, but like for any company. This type of consistent dividend payment is just unheard of. And I've looked up online. Before I do these videos, I like to look up a general consensus of how people view the company I'm about to do a video on. And there's a lot of people that are there's a lot of bullish people, but there's a lot of people on here that have like bad things to say. Oh, is a risky bet recovery due to movie theaters, gyms, restaurant, nail salons? And I don't know. This is Mr. Brad, the REIT expert on Yahoo Finance. I'm not sure if he really knows what he's talking about here. Gyms and restaurants and movie theaters were generally their lowest part of the revenue. Lifetime Fitness at 2.4. They're so well. This is just their top 20, by the way. They're so well diversified. I just don't see why people like this are giving so much shade to this company. I think they are an outstanding company that is very committed to their dividend. And even during this insane time we're living through right now, their revenues are still going up. Their balance sheet looks great. And however, just because of fear and people, I think people are overselling it right now. It's gone down in price, $30, and I don't think that's justified. But for me, someone like me, I'm going to be buying Realty Income. This is a very safe company. Think about it. You're getting the same dividend. Well, it rises slightly every year, but you're getting the same dividend. The dividend won't change, but the price. So imagine you're doing a deal with somebody, and they're like, all right, I'll pay you $5 a year if you give me $50. You'll be like, all right, sure. And then they'll be like, all right, I'll pay you $5 a year still, but you know what? Now it's only $30. That's how I feel about Realty Income. I don't see any real downside with this. I don't know. This is just my personal opinion. If you guys have a different opinion, feel free to tell me in the comments below. And in no way am I encouraging you to make any decisions on any stock purchase or whatever. I'm just telling you what I think and what I'm going to do. And personally, I don't know. I think Realty Income's a great company, and I just don't understand. I think it's a great purchase right now. So anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. If this helped you out at all, please feel free to leave a like. Comment down below if you think I'm an idiot. If you think what I'm saying has any sort of justification to it. If you'll be buying Realty Income. If you already own it, or if you're planning on selling it. And please subscribe. I'm going to be making more videos like this in the future. I'm going to be doing stock portfolio updates and overall just general finance advice. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.